Keto custard recipe, 4 simple ingredients, only 1 gram net carbs per serving. Oh yes, it can. Add 7/8 cup thickened cream and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to a small saucepan. Whisk the mixture over medium heat until it reaches a low simmer, and then remove from the heat. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, whisk together 3 egg yolks and 1 tablespoon powdered sweetener. Stir in the cream mixture and return the pan to the heat. Whisk continuously until the custard thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Remove from the heat and allow to cool. Serve immediately or store in your fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy your keto custard, and be sure to check out the links in the description box below for my favorite keto resources.